We've got a beautiful, rare green, eruption green. Look at this thing. Ford Mustang. Not a lot of them came in that, which is cool. I've never seen a green one. I've seen the billet ones, but not just a regular GT. Anyways, it's a 5.0. Let me show you guys what we've done to it. Boom, boom, boom. So it's got factory converter there, factory converter there, then flex pipe. And then we took the resonator off and made a custom H-pipe, exhaust Addicts H-pipe. We didn't buy one or anything. We made it in-house. Look at that. Beautiful H-pipe. Then, pipe continues. We took the rear mufflers off there and replaced them with two Flowmaster Outlaws. Part number 815425. Right there and right there. And then finished it off nicely with two Natami tips. Here's the part number on the Natamis. Double wall, black chrome, staggered tips. I'll show them to you guys in a second. Right there. Just fills in the gap nicely and accents everything else that's black around on the car. Very clean, very nice. There's the two mufflers that were on it with the tips. And there's the resonator that was on it. It's a dual in, dual out resonator and the two mufflers. All right, stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, like, comment, and hit that subscribe. Ford Mustang GT with H-pipe and Flowmaster Outlaws. Here's idle. Right at 85. Give it gas. It's perfect. I like it. Yeah, it's really nice. You got chills? Heck yeah, that's what we like to hear. Again. Here's sound decibels with the Revs. 114. Again. It gives it that bite, you know. It's a nice combination with the Outlaws. Again. Perfect. Go ahead and back it up. And if you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. There's our beautiful shop. We're right down the street from Skyline Hospital and right before Due West Avenue on Dickerson Pike. Come and see us. Here's our phone number. Give us a call. We appreciate everything you guys do and watch for us and support us. Just like we support you guys with all these videos. So you guys get to know what these cars sound like. We're making history. One car at a time. Yeah, it's clean. I like it. You know what I need to put next? Pro Charger. One came with a Pro Charger like this one. On these 5.0s. Oh my god, dude. It was sick. Again? Yeah, it's clean. Let you guys hear on the inside. Here we go, guys. I called it a chameleon green Mustang. The color, bro, in the sun is freaking amazing. Look how it changes color in the sun. See that? Ah, it's perfect. Flowmaster Outlaws and H-pipe. Come get you guys some. Only at Exhaust Addicts.